Hey everybody, this is a quick video in case you have Sennheiser Momentum Sport wireless Bluetooth earbuds, anything with model number series MSPORT1, MSPORT1, and you need to do a soft reset or a force restart on them to fix any kind of troubleshooting issues, like if they're not connecting to your Bluetooth or they're not syncing with your device, they keep disconnecting, stuff like that. If you're having sound issues, this reset will fix a lot of these issues, and this is not a hard reset to the factory default settings. This will not delete the pairing history. They will, once you do this, they'll still automatically pair with your device and everything like that. You're just trying to fix whatever issues you're having so that they're working again. It's very easy to do on these. All we're going to do is put the earbuds in the case and close the case. Now, if you just open the case up and take them back out, they won't have had time to turn off. All we need to do the reset is we need to close the case and wait at least 20 seconds. So basically what happens is when you close the case, the earbuds stay on for a while, just in case you take them back out. But after 20 seconds, they'll finally turn off. And then when you open it up again after those 10 seconds, then you will be able to, they'll just turn back on again. So hopefully after closing it for at least 10 seconds, opening it up, taking it out again, whatever issue we're having is fixed. If it's not fixed, you're probably going to want to move on to a hard reset to the factory default settings, and I'll put a link in the description to the instructions to do that.